Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This charming 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house would be the perfect place to call home. Nestled on quarter acre in the cool Red Hills and Chancery Hall area sits this property. Just minutes away from the hustle of city life, but still tucked away to enjoy the peace and tranquility of the hills. This elegant 2-story home has a spacious living, dining, kitchen, washroom, and guest room with ensuite on the ground floor. On the upper floor, you will find an additional entertainment and living space, 2 bedrooms and a bathroom on one wing, and a large master suite on the other, complete with high ceilings and spacious wraparound balcony, offer magnificent views of the mountain. There is also a large front yard for expansion or entertaining. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 69.9 million or US $454,100. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.